Hey runners, busy foodies and pasta lovers, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a simple, cheesy, and fuel-ready meal with only a handful of ingredients, this baked rigatoni is your new go-to. In under 30 minutes, we're turning some mouth-watering, great ingredients into a first-class, almost Michelin star ready meal. It's a mouth-watering, high-carb, high-satisfaction dish that's perfect for meal prep, post-run fuel, or dinner on the fly. Stick around, I'm showing you step by step and one pro tip that's going to make this gooey, scrumptious, carbohydrate protein dish just even better. Come on, let's get cooking. Let's start with a 1 pound box of rigatoni, about a pound of ground beef, some Rao's marinara sauce, a bowl that we can put a lot of stuff in, a tool to chop your ground beef, some mozzarella that's shredded, a nice skillet that we can fry our ground beef in, and a pot of boiling water. The first thing we'll do is add about 2 teaspoons of salt to our boiling water. Then we're going to add our pasta, the whole box, set a timer for about 12 minutes, and then get ready to work on our ground beef. I'm first going to spray some Pam into my skillet, add the ground beef, crumble it up nicely, and then use some sort of a tool to chop it up. You want it very fine. You want to cook it versus steaming it, and add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to use freshly ground salt and pepper. And then continue to get it ground very fine. Once the pasta is ready, we're going to drain it in a colander. Next, we're going to add our jar of Rao's marinara sauce to our ground beef. And then we're going to mix it in a bowl with the rigatoni. Now make sure you mix it very well. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add that to our casserole dish. Be very careful, try not to spill it outside of the casserole dish. Our last step is to add some mozzarella cheese. It's grated mozzarella, store-bought. Just make sure it's layered properly. My pro tip is to drizzle some olive oil over the mozzarella cheese. It'll make it nice and crispy. Finally, we're sticking it in the oven for 22 minutes, 350 degrees. And before you know it, it's done. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, perfect. Perfectly cooked for all tastes. Dinner's not for a while, but I couldn't resist grabbing one slice to see how it tastes. Ducking into the camera for a quick review.
Oh my God, it's delicious.
And the ridges held the sauce very well.
Anyway, please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.